I want to talk about the Rutland Creosote Remover. I've been using this for 4 years. My chimney in my home is very prone to creosote buildup, which if you leave it for too long can create a lot of problems, potentially a chimney fire, so certainly something you want to take care of. I use this daily. It's very easy. Usually I use it first thing in the morning when I come down and load up the stove. I'll rake the coals and throw a scoopful on. You don't want to put it on a raging fire. Just a nice little bed of coals is perfect, and it will burn and the vapors will go up into the chimney and fight the creosote. I've gotten good results so far. Clean chimney, no chimney fires, and my wood stove is burning efficiently. And this is good for any wood burning stove, but is not to be used with pellet stoves. If you're interested in purchasing this for your chimney at home, please click on the link in the description below.